Hey YouTube, this is Lisa and you're watching The Backward Glance, and I've been doing a little experiment, a little online shopping of my own, trying to see if I can make some money buying on eBay to sell on eBay. So I've been doing some auctions and things like that. This is a lot of jewelry that I bought as a buy it now. It is 6 pieces of sterling silver. That's what the title said. It did have pictures of everything, and there was one piece in general that I was most interested in, but I thought, you know, it's all sterling silver. I can probably make a little bit more than my purchase price. I don't think this is going to be a super high profit margin by any means, but I'm really trying to just kind of raise the quality of items in my shop. I love to sell jewelry. I love to look at jewelry. I don't ironically wear a lot of jewelry, but I'm excited to sell it, and I can't find it at the thrift stores near me. The Goodwills do not carry jewelry. They must sell it all through like Shop Goodwill online. So I rarely come across sellable jewelry. That being said, I did open this box. I looked at the first piece and then I thought, hey, maybe I should make a video. Also, in full disclosure, the seller stated that these pieces were not tested. I think some of them are marked 925 and some aren't. So I did bring my testing stone and my sterling silver solution and also my magnet. I'm not going to be unhappy with the seller for any reason if some of these pieces aren't sterling, but it would be great if they were. So I will... They actually were also in these little bags, which was really nice. There were 2 of those. I thought the presentation was really nice. So I think this is the piece that I did already open. So we'll just start with this. I can move this background stuff. I know I'm using a busy background, but my white background just needs to be replaced for videos like this. So this is a very pretty, heavy bracelet. It is a toggle closure. It is on the smaller side, which is actually great if I wanted to wear it. And let me just check it for markings. I don't think the bracelets were marked. Yeah, I'm not seeing any kind of markings. So I'll set this aside and maybe we'll test it in the video. I'm just realizing that the sun is doing a weird thing in my window now, and that might affect this. And also I've woken up my cat, which may affect this too. I'll be curious what's happening. Okay, this is very similar. So this one is kind of the square version, and this one is the round version. I think that these are gorgeous. Again, the toggle clasp. They almost feel too heavy to be sterling. They definitely have some tarnish, so if these are sterling, that's great. They're nice heavy bracelets. They have that southwestern look, and I think that I could easily get like $15 to $20 a piece for them, or maybe sell them actually as a set since they match if they're the same measurement. Right, I think this is the piece that might be the reason that I ordered this. Okay, yep. This snake brooch, beautiful, and it is marked, let's see, HRC Zuni 925. I did a little research. I think the designer on this is Harlan Kunsis. So knowing the designer and that it's marked Zuni, I think that I could get $20 to $30 for this brooch. So that's great. It's a rattlesnake. I just saw the rattle. Okay, very cool. I love this. I'm super happy with this. And I think the seller did a great job with wrapping everything, presenting it, describing it. The more auctions of jewelry that I've looked at on eBay, the more appreciative I am for people who are clear in their listings, because there are some crazy listings out there. Okay, this one kind of doesn't go with the rest, because everything else has that sort of southwestern look. Cute. Definitely cute. Is marked RW Sterling 925. Not sure what that RW stands for, so I'll have to do a little research. I did do a small bit of research when I was thinking about buying this listing, but I can't remember if I figured out who that was. Let's see, this is small. Okay, this was not in the listing. Let's see. So we've opened 4, there's 2 in here. Okay, this is a bonus item. It is gold tone, but it does say 925 on the back there, I think. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to get actually my loop out. Let me see if I've got one next to me here. Aha. Okay. I didn't think I would need the loop to see. Okay. You can't see this. I don't think I can show you this. This says 14K, and then it has what looks to me like possibly a G with an arrow through it. Let me get closer here, sorry. Didn't expect, certainly, to have a 14K piece in here. Yeah, and then it's got maybe a G or an E with an arrow through it. We will test this. That would be amazing. I mean, it's not heavy, but well, bonus item for sure. Okay. Happy with that. So I know that I really liked the other 2 pins that were in the lot. This one is a bear. Definitely that Native American look to it. Okay, this one is marked TJS. It has a pendant loop, and the pin is like a little bit bent, but let's see if it's functional. Yeah. Okay, it's definitely functional. Really nice. I like that. And the last piece I know I was crazy about. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, what is it? Is it a dog? Is it a pig? I mean, it's got like a little upturn there. Oh, the light is getting crazy. Okay, this one is not marked, I believe. Let me take a closer look. Yeah, it's got like some scratches on the post, but I don't think it's a mark. I think they're just scratches. Yeah. Okay. How cool is that, though? Oh my gosh, I love it. Do I think it's sterling? Okay, so let's review here. The bear is marked TGS. It's not marked 925. This is marked sterling. This is marked sterling. The bracelets are not marked sterling. Really cool set. This is marked 14K. So let's just go ahead and test one of these things, just so in case you're not familiar with testing, you can see, and then I probably won't do all of them on the camera. So let's go ahead and test one of these very cool bracelets. I'm going to find a spot that's not obvious and rub it on my stone here. So let's just do this. Okay. We'll take the acid, get it on there, and then I just let it sit for a second, and then I wipe it off. And that is sterling. Once the acid fades away, we'll be able to see a little bit better, but it leaves like kind of a blood red mark. We'll just go ahead and do these 2. I bet they're sterling. Do that. It's the bear. And that. This one actually feels a little different. Like it's almost shinier. We'll see. Okay, so you can see the red mark left on the paper from that one. So we'll do the bear here. And I do see that there is red in there. And we'll do the pig dog. Ooh, that one came out really, really distinct. I got like a better rub on that one, so nice. Okay, super, super happy. And now the gold, I'm gonna have to reach over here. Lucky thing I have my kit nearby. Grab the 14K. If you're still watching, thanks for sticking with. This would be such a bonus. Oh, that's the clasp, okay. Got that line there. And I want to see where I rubbed it and see if I can see silver underneath. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Wow. Can you see this? That's not going anywhere. That is awesome. Okay, so unlike the sterling with 14K, you want the line to stay. You're not looking for a color change. So, just to show you, I've actually never used the 14K acid on sterling. I don't know. Actually, here. I'm sure I'm in reach of something that's not remotely gold. Okay. This is like a... not even leaving a very good mark for me. There's like a little brass hoop. Okay. So if I put the acid over that, I mean, you can see on this one immediately the line disappears. And a lot of times you actually almost see like a little bit of smoke rising where the acid is like eating it. So wow, what a great inclusion in my package. I'm gonna leave fantastic feedback for this seller. And let us just see what we've got here. Can you see? I don't know if you can actually see the numbers on the scale. Okay, zeros. This is set to measure in grams. 2.48 grams of 14 karat gold. I am so happy with that. That is amazing. What a great thing for him to include. And let's just see what we've got. These are heavy. 43 for one of them. Where did I set the other one now? So they're both about 43. We've got the bear. We've got the pig dog. We've got the mother. And the snake is very light, but I love this snake. All right, so that's what we've got. About 112 grams of sterling and about 2.3 grams of gold. Amazing. I'm super happy. Thanks for sticking with me and watching this video. This piece probably is just going to go into a gold scrap lot, but these pieces will be listed soon in my eBay store, The Backward Glance. So if you are interested in any of them, check that out. Thanks for watching.